Hi friends, let me show you these new stainless steel pet bowls that I received for reviewing purposes. They are really nice, really useful for medium to large dogs, as you can see. They are really pretty. First of all, they are stainless steel in the inside, okay? So you can clean them really easily. They are great for your pet's food or water. They are plastic in the outside, so they will keep water and food under temperature. And they have this plastic ring that will help you so they don't move. They get like a grip to the floor or wherever you feed your pets, okay? Let me show you. I got three because I have three pets, and we are going to use them with my pets, okay? These ones are light gray. There are a lot of colors to choose from, and that's great. As you can see, there are a lot of colors to choose from, okay? Any color that fits your decoration, your taste, or your pet's taste, you can get the right color for you, okay? Let's try them. So we have already our favorite food, and our pets can have their meals here. Perfect. As you can see, the size is great for these medium-sized dogs. Okay, they can eat. They have plenty of space to eat, and most of the food will stay in the tray, in the bowl. Okay, so if you want to have new bowl for your pets like Milo, these options are great. And as I tell you, the color options, the color variety are great. Perfect.